We've got a very nice Range Rover here to show you. We've taken this in part exchange off a lady. Super car, 2022. On a 22 registration. It's the D300 SE diesel. Fuji white. It's got the shadow exterior pack, so all black roof, gloss black skirts and vents. It's got the 22-inch gloss black wheels. All tyres good. Factory privacy glass, and it's got the opening panoramic sunroof. 24,500 miles. Been serviced at Land Rover. I'll show you the paperwork. And they drive super. I've actually used it yesterday myself. Very nice car. Bodywork wise, all lovely. Doesn't that look well? If you're watching this on YouTube, have a look at our website, justnicecars.co.uk. We've got the full description of the car on there and all the photographs for you to see. Got 2 keys, clear HPI report, full specification, and Land Rover service sheet. So we've got all that there. All the wheels are unmarked, by the way. Right, I'll just give you a side view, then we'll show you the interior. Start in the back. Lovely black leather over carpet mats. Armrest there with the cup holders. See the opening panoramic roof. Lovely trim. Electric reclining seat operation. All the buttons there. Meridian sound system. Soft closed doors. Mileage 24,584. Two buttons there, one's for the sliding sunroof and one's for an electric sunblind. Electric steering column. There we are, all ready to go. Thank you very much for watching. Any questions, if you'd like to give us a ring at the showroom, or our mobile number is 0750 1730. Thank you for watching.